Okay. An excursion in the cold. Wow. I'm gonna start it up. It's gonna be this one versus that one. Let's see who starts the easiest. Let's start with Excursion first. 2004, 6 liter, not the 7.3. Well, that would be cool. Look at all that. It hasn't been started in 3 days. Whew. To make it fair, we're gonna have to wait. But I have to let the glow plugs warm up. So let's get in here. I'm sorry guys, I'm using the camera to try to start this up. Okay, so where are we at? How many miles? Turn that off. I don't want to get copyrighted. We're at 26.4, 1/3. So we're at 264. We're long from new injectors. Original injectors and everything. Anyways, let's let the glow plug run out. Okay. Put some them things around and we'll see how it starts. This was made at the Kentucky. You can see a sticker right there. I can't remember if it didn't that. But anyways, we're in that many miles. Let's let them warm up. Come on. You guys can do it. You guys can do it. Sorry for the movement. Just trying to. Okay, ready? 3, 2. I'm gonna put it outside so you can hear it. What the heck? I got ice on my phone. I thought that would be worse. Let's turn up the heat all the way. Turn like heat seats. That button only works. Well, I did not expect that to actually happen. It's 29 degrees. What the crap? Okay. Fair stop, but can this GMC see if this one works? Let's go check out the exhaust actually before we do it. Wow. You guys probably can't see it that much, but it's blowing. Oh, it feels good too. Sorry. Yeah, it's blowing. There's ice cubes all up and down this thing. Let's go check out the GMC. Sorry for the first flip, but here's our GMC. We were at 303,000 miles. Where the crap's the key? So, this is more of a work truck. It's been beaten down, rusted up. Anyways, let's start her up. Could wait for that thing to go out. We gotta wait for 30 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The Excursion's going on idle. Okay. And that starts up beautifully. Oh, why is it on cold? Ooh. Oh, I forgot. Oh wait, I need to turn that down. I don't want to get copyrighted. Do not want to get copyrighted. Anyways, let's turn on the wipers. Oh, they got cold. This truck needs new wipers, but let's go check out the exhaust and I'll show you it. I got two exhausts back here. One right here, you could see that one. Oh, and it feels so good too. And we got this one over here. Oh, it smells like it's a beast. All this snow covered up. Covered up. All of this snow. This truck's been worn down to the bottom, but it is certainly very good. I'm still very proud of this diesel shit. Set for 3 days and it starts up. That one starts up anywhere. But, well, I guess that concludes the video. So I guess I'll see you for another cold start. Or something I'll do on another time, but I gotta go. So, bye.